Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Google Analytics to your Blogger blog. First of all, search for Google Analytics. Open this link. Log into your Google account. If you are using Google Analytics for the first time, then this page will show. Simply click on Start Measuring. Now first we need to create an account for our blog. Simply type your blog name. Tick mark on Google Products and Services. Click on Next. Now we need to set up a property for our blog. Type your blog name in the property name box. Select reporting time zone. Select the currency for your blog. Click on Next. Now we need to add our blog information. First select category for our blog. Now choose our blog size, which means how many people work in our blog. Now select what you want to track for your blog. Click on Create. Now select the country where you live. Accept the terms and conditions if you agree. Click on I accept. If you need email updates, then select the option as you like. Click on Save. Now we need to create a web tracking ID for our blog. So simply click on the web. Now, we need to set up our blog data stream. So first copy our blog link URL and paste here. Now here you can see we have HTTPS, so we need to select HTTPS here. Remove https:// Remove / from here. Type your blog name. Now if you run a custom domain on Blogger, then first select Write Protocol for your custom domain. Then type here www.yourcustomdomain. If you run a custom subdomain on Blogger, then first select Write Protocol for your custom subdomain. Then type here your custom subdomain. Once you are done, click on Create Stream. Now this is our blog tracking details. Now we need to copy tracking code, so simply click on Google Site tag. Click here to copy the code. Now we need to paste this code in our Blogger theme. So head over to the Blogger dashboard. Click on the theme. Click on Customize. Click on Edit HTML. Now in the theme file, you can see the head tag. Simply paste the code below the head tag. Click on Save. Now go back to Google Analytics. Close this page. Now we successfully add Google Analytics to our Blogger blog. Now we can track our blog traffic. If you want to check real-time blog traffic, then simply click here. Here, we can see last 30 minutes traffic. We can check traffic by blog page, device, country and source. Now if you want to check traffic for specific time frame, then click on Acquisition. Click on Overview. Click here and select the time frame to check blog traffic. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful, then please like and share this video. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment below. If you don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel.